Hello student, today we have to solve some question on the topic exponent. Here two questions are given. First is express each of the following rational numbers with positive exponent, and second is find the reciprocal of under small bracket 4 by 5 whole raised power minus 2 divided by 8 by 15 whole raised power minus 1. So we start from question first. Question first, option A. You have to write these rational number with positive exponent. Exponent power should be positive. You raise power, if this is minus, it should be positive. So 3 by 7 raised power minus 4. We know the law of exponent that a by b raised power minus n, then b by a raised power n. If any rational number has negative power is in negative, then you have to change denominator into numerator and numerator into denominator, and power will convert into positive. Here 4 is equal to 3 by 7 whole power 7 by 3 raised power 4. Here the power is positive. 7 by 3 raised power 4. 4 is positive. Question number second, B is under bracket 2 raised power minus 1 into 3 raised power minus 1 into 4 raised power minus 1 into 5 raised power minus 1 whole raised power minus 1. Solution. Two raised power minus 1 into 3 raised power minus 1 into 4 raised power minus 1 into 5 raised power minus 1 whole raised power minus 1. We know that a raised power minus n is equal to 1 by a raised power n. We have to use this law. So we can write 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 5. Here 2 raised power 1, because we write 1 or not positive, that is considered positive exponent, that is 1 raised power minus 1. Now multiply the denominators. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 by 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 raised power minus 1. 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24, 24 5 is 120. 120 is equal to 1 by 120 raised power minus 1. If power is negative, then we have to change denominator into numerator, numerator into denominator. Means 120 raised power by 1 raised power 1. So we can write this 120. This is answer. 120 means 120 raised power 1. So this is here 120 has positive power. Power is positive 1. So this you can solve this types of question by converting the negative power into positive power of rational numbers. Option C. is minus 7 by 8 raised power minus 8 into minus 7 by 5 raised power 5. Solution. Solution minus 7 by 8 raised power minus 8 into minus 7 by, sorry, this is 8 not 5, this is 8, 7 by 8 raised power 5. Now here in both rational number base is same, in both base is same. In base, when base are same, in multiplication power is added, like this law of a into n, m into b into n, a into n is equal to a raised power m plus n. Then 7 minus 7 by 8 raised power minus 8 plus 5. So the numerical value of 8 is more and the numerical value of 5 is less. So the sign of greater numerical value will be written. Minus 7 by 8 is minus. Out 5 from 8, 3. Here positive power is negative. So if power is negative, then you have to change numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator, and power, the sign of power is changed. Now 8 by minus 7 raised power 3. Here power is in positive. So this is your answer. And option D is 6 raised power minus 1 minus divided by 2 raised power minus 1 divided by minus 2. Solution. Six raised power minus 1 divided by 2 raised power minus 1 raised power minus 2. Here, when we know that 6, if power is negative, a raised power minus n is equal to 1 by a raised power n. So convert it. 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 2 raised power minus 2. Then we have to divide first fraction into second fraction. Sign will change into multiplication and numerator convert into denominator, denominator into numerator. So 1 by 6 into 2 by 1 raised power minus 2. Here 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6. 1 is equal to 1 by 3 raised power minus 2. Here power is negative. You have to change numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator, and power will change into positive. So 3 by 1 raised power minus 2 is equal to 3 raised power 2. Here power is in positive. So we change it in positive exponent. Now this type of question you can solve from your exercise book, and I think you will be able to solve this type of question because I have told you this simply. Now we start question number second. Second, find the reciprocal of question number 2. Find the reciprocal of 4 by 5. Solution. First of all, we have to solve it. 4 by 5 raised power minus 2 divided by 8 by 15 raised power minus 1. Now, if power is negative, then you have to convert denominator into numerator, numerator into denominator, and sign of power will change. Here 5 by 4 raised power 2 divided by 15 by 8 raised power 1. Now open it. 5 by 4 into 5 by 4 divided by 15 by 8. Now 5 5 is 25, 4 4 is 16. 25 by 16. This sign will change into multiply, sign of multiply, and denominator will convert into numerator and numerator will convert into denominator. 8 by 15. Now 8 and 16 both are divisible by 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16. 25 and 50 both are divisible by 5. 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 50. So we can write 5 into 1 and 2 into 3 is equal to 5 is 5 by 3 2 is 6. The value of this. So you have to find reciprocal of 5 by 6. In reciprocal you have to change numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. 6 by 5. So you can write reciprocal of 4 by 5 raised power minus 2 divided by 8 by 15 raised power minus 1 is equal to 6 by 5. This is answer. Now all of you understand this, how to solve the question of reciprocal. First of all you have to solve this. After doing solution you have to find the reciprocal of 5 by 6 and 6 by 5 is reciprocal, and so reciprocal of this is equal to 6 by 5. This is your answer. So I think all of you have understood this and you can solve this type of question from your exercise book. So it is sufficient for today. We see in next video with new type of question. Thanks for today.